Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm excited to show you my beautiful new journal. It's from Tiefossi and it's called the 8x8 Square Floral Dot Grid Notebook and it's in lavender. As soon as I saw this one I completely fell in love with the soft lavender colour and the delicate floral design on the cover. It feels so elegant and the cotton cover gives it such a lovely high quality feel. If you're interested in getting this journal, I've got the links in the description box for you. It has an elastic closure to keep everything secure, and it also has a pen holder. Perfect journal this for anyone who loves florals and purple. For this journal I decided to create a spring theme setup and I used my Spring Blooms printable sticker kit to decorate the pages. I'm going to do a flip through of the setup and show you how I created it. But first I'm going to show you the sticker kit. This is the sticker kit. It's a printable one and it's available in my Patreon shop. You've got some functional boxes and you've got loads of delicate, beautiful pastel florals. And when you see what I created with these, you'll really want this sticker kit. I will put the links to this kit in the description box for you. So are you ready to see what I created in this journal? Let's have a look. Starting with the name page, I kept it quite simple but added some floral stickers to give it a soft feel. I also added my name in a purple brush pen. I really like this name page and I think it's a beautiful start to the spring, as I will be using this as my spring journal. Next, I created a full week spread, and for this layout I added some faux Dutch doors which I think add a fun and creative element to the spread, while also giving it a little bit more extra planning space. I decorated the whole spread using the floral stickers throughout the pages to tie the whole spread together. I added my script washi that I love, and I also added some other washi tapes and added some lines to the pages in a nice lilac colour. I added some boxes as well to the pages and done the same on each page, and I've done a Dutch door here which I think has turned out really beautiful, and I've done the same florals on the other side but I've used some darker washi tape on this side which I think really nice and it pops, doesn't it? And I've added the boxes with the florals as well. I think this is stunning. So let's turn over, and these are the Dutch doors. These are faux Dutch doors. You can open them up and reveal the page underneath. And I've decorated the front as well as the inside. And we've got the same on this side. It opens up, you've got your page and the front. And I put the big sticker on the front here, which I cut in half with a paper cutter. And then I added my hexagon boxes all the way around. I really love how it turned out. It's beautiful, isn't it? And as you can see on these pages, I've done some purple lines. I've added a huge sticker and then two of the hexagon boxes. And then on this side, I've done the same, but I've put the boxes at the bottom. And I've got the floral here at this side. And I've added some washi tapes at either side. I really love how these faux Dutch doors turned out. Right, let's turn the page and have a look at this one. And as you can see on this one, I've done the same as that one, but I just changed the way the stickers are a little bit and move where the boxes are. But it's beautiful, isn't it? I really like how this has turned out. I can't wait to start journaling in this. And as you can see, I created another Dutch door with the floral stickers that are in the kit. I really do love this one. I think this might be one of my favourite spreads I've ever done. I really like all the different tones of purple in this spread and all the different washi tapes that I've used. So this is my last page for my weekly spread, and I think this spread's beautiful. So let's flip back and you can see it like that. Isn't it beautiful like that? If you like this spread as much as I do, please drop me a like and leave me a comment in the comments section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. I'm not sure where I got these washi tapes from, but if I can find out, I'll put the links in the description box for you. The thick paper in this journal works really well with printable stickers, so everything sits nicely on the page without any issues. I highly recommend Tiefossi notebooks. They're such good quality and they've got some beautiful designs, and I love the light dot grid paper. There's also 2 ribbon bookmarks which I forgot to show you. And at the back we've got a large pocket which I've decorated using the same stickers from the same sticker kit, and I've added some washi tape down the edge here, and I think this looks really pretty. Overall, I can't wait to start journaling in this journal. It's so beautiful. If you'd like to see more planner inspiration, bullet journal spreads, creative journal spreads and printable sticker kits, also unboxings and reviews, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're interested in my Spring Bloom sticker kit, it's available now in my Patreon shop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!